If you need to request a refund on eBay for a payment that has already gone through, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Access your eBay account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the transaction you want to refund. Step 2. Go to Purchase History. Navigate to the My eBay section and click on Purchase History. This will display all your recent purchases, allowing you to find the specific item for which you want a refund. Step 3. Select the item. Locate the item in your purchase history. Click on the item to view its details. This will provide you with options related to the transaction, including the ability to request a refund. Step 4. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for seller response. After submitting your refund request, wait for the seller to respond. They may approve the refund or ask for more information. Keep an eye on your eBay messages for updates regarding your request. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to receiving your refund. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.